Hello everyone, welcome to 1+1. Today let's cook some homemade cookies. Let's begin. For the homemade cookie, you will need butter at room temperature, some chocolate, half bowl of white and brown sugar, 1 bowl of white flour, an egg, vanilla syrup, baking soda, cocoa powder, salt, and 2 large bowls. To begin with, let's mix the ingredients. Mix the butter and sugar together. Once the butter and sugar is mixed, let's put an egg. Some vanilla syrup. Mix them well. This is a very simple recipe. Because it's homemade, we can control the amount of sugar and butter that you want to put in. Okay, they are mixed well. Let's put some flour. Half teaspoon of soda. I'm just gonna stir it a bit in. A bit of salt to taste. I'm dividing this mixture into 2 bowls. Mix them well. Feel free to add some chocolate. I'm adding the milk chocolate. You can go with dark chocolate or ready-made chocolate chip. Okay, this one is well mixed. Let's set this aside. With this bowl, I'm just going to put some cocoa powder to make a chocolate cookie. This is the chocolate chip cookie. Mix it well. My cookie doughs are now ready. You will need a baking tray with some baking paper on top. Now let's start rolling the cookies. You want to have a generous amount of the cookie dough and just roll them. Put it on your baking tray. Don't worry if you have made extra dough, you can always freeze it in the freezer and bake it at a later stage. It's an important stage to make a delicious cookies. We need to set the cookie dough in the fridge for 2 hours. It's been 2 hours. The dough is nicely set and ready to be baked. Set your oven at 190 degrees. The cookie needs to be baked for 10 to 12 minutes. Butter cookies are now ready. Make sure you let your cookies cooling on the tray before moving them. Cookies are chewy all the way through. Every bite gonna have some chocolate chip. Thanks for watching, guys. Until next time, bye bye.